Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. In this video, I'll show you some beginner-friendly methods used to texturize buttons in Substance Painter. In order to make my buttons glow, I open Texture Set Settings and enable Emissive Channel. This allows me to either add emission to existing paint layers or create emission-only layers that have other channels disabled. Make sure to always have some basic paint under emission layer, or you will get an unpleasant surprise should you decide to turn emission off at some point. As you can see here, I've added a black mask to the folder that contains my emission paint layer, and now paint my buttons with Polygon Fill tool by simply unmasking some parts of the model. If you want to add emission layer to existing material, you can simply do it by clicking the corresponding button after enabling the emissive channel in Texture Set Settings. Applying a dark emission fill layer to other masked layers will make them suppress emission we assigned below them. We can always put these layers into a single folder, mask it, and apply it to particular parts of the model. Should we want to apply some text to our button, we shall switch to orthographic view for it to be projected properly. Then we can use a font brush tool. We can either use a paint layer straight away, just as I do on the video, or use a fill layer, mask it, and apply a paint layer to its mask, keeping control over material settings. We can always add a dark emission channel to our layer, for our text to block existing emission. I'll speed up this part just a little bit to show you the process of painting over a masked fill layer. Just like I've mentioned before, this method allows us to maintain control over material settings so we can edit them later. I place text layer into a folder and then apply smart masks, generators or grunges to that folder. Smart masks have many parameters we can edit, however, the most crucial one is usually global balance. We can edit the height of our paint layer, thus pushing it in or out of our button. Thanks for watching guys. If you got any value from this video, be my guest to subscribe to my channel for more tips covering the process of stylized modeling. And most importantly, have a great day!